going through the pre-flight, going through the checklist, just checking everything one last time, and then we're getting ready to go and do a final run-up. Just really kind of give it a good ground run, and then we're gonna come back, check everything one last time, and then it's blast-off time. We just completed a major restoration on this Cherokee, and I'm really partial to this one because this is the plane my son is going to learn how to fly in. Let me show you what she started like. Whoa, this thing is stripped all the way down. Memory foam on the front seats, new foam on all the seats. This thing is really cool. Paintwork is done, the interior is done, the avionics are done. We just got to do a couple tweaks and tunes, get the annual finish, get it signed off, and we're ready for our first test flight. Try and start this thing. Hasn't run in a while.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We're going to be doing more stuff like this. We're going to be building some small planes in addition to our fast planes and our hot planes we do. So you know what? Mash that subscribe button. We got a lot of cool classic cars coming up. We've got cool airplane restorations coming up. We've just got some fun jobs, man. What my guys love about this place is we work on fun stuff. We work on fun cars, we work on fun planes, and we have a lot of fun playing with the stuff that we bring to you.